Today I'm playing Overwatch comp with my friends, and well, it didn't really go out well for them because like throughout this entire video you're gonna hear them like screaming their asses off like yada yada rah, and like I mean I'm over here just sitting in solo queue and chilling. I don't know how I'm doing so good and doing so well, not raging solo queue, but I don't know. Sit back, relax, and eat a food and enjoy the video.
Fuck you, Ash.
Can't use my new shoes. Don't have to smell like a McDonald's deep fryer now.
Prize in the bag, big boy.
No, cause like I had no shoes before, so like I would just like fucking wear only my McDonald's shoes.
Select your hero.
So I'm finally. Oh.
Select heroes to ban.
God, I hate Ash. You fucking play like a fucking bitch. If I was playing that round, we probably would have won the game. My bad.
Yep.
Traveling to Dorado.
Of course, our whole team fucking dies. Everyone just
Oh,
decided
and
to
she has Bongo
pretend to
back.
pull over. Yeah, she has Bongo and she has her fucking her spike thing.
Alright, I hope we
Spend every
I hope this
moment
guy
growing
has
into
a
who
higher
you truly
percent
are.
win rate for me.
My
He
sword
took some,
and
he
your
took my
hammer
mantra,
will
my
lead us to
Pookie,
victory.
my Omnic Sling, or my Human Sling Pookie. You won't play rock paper scissors.
White salmon. Damage intensified.
Battle draws near. Ready yourselves.
Gods are mere tools, built to foster fear and wielded by the wicked.
No, I forgot to walk Rosetta. Oh no, I forgot Gaona. Hello.
Your arrows will
Pizza.
3, 2,
Put it in a box.
They really aren't. These are, you know what time it is right there, big boy.
A big hug for long
Ice roll.
Yo, can't you get your butt over here? Damn it!
Better off with
I got one of them.
some healing. Bounding forth.
I am, and I am evil.
I am evil.
I have you.
If people know that reference, it'd be fucking funny.
And I am evil.
Safety in numbers. Setting out the welcome mat.
Somebody's messaging.
Brimming with
Genji, come
butterlight.
back here, you fucking. I'm healing you, Genji! You don't need to go for a health pack, you fucking prick!
Nah, he said you're not worth enough healing.
Enemy located.
That should do it.
Oh, Ryan can fly.
ายลง
Should have kept your distance.
The tree of life is ready. My ultimate is ready.
Annihilation is upon
Oh, we are stacked up. We are stacked up on ultimates.
Get out.
My face.
狐の鍵爪を解き放て
Some healing.
وريهم قوتك.
Life protects life. Grounding force. Come here, will you?
This stupid fucking game. Really? Oh, God forbid she does 1 extra
Bring
damage.
with firelight.
Oh, man.
My tree's gone. Find cover.
I am high, and I am.
Oh no.
Life from life.
I can bring them back. Greetings. On my way.
Better? There! An enemy!
Enemy on this.
Y'all got this.
Collaboration? Lovely. An enemy here! Stay near. Lots more options from above.
Enemy in sight.
A little care always helps.
Threats detected.
Together then. Fight with me!
Die, whore.
Windborn.
Whore.
Can't have it getting worse.
Trying, honestly.
Firelight. My ultimate is ready. Come here, will you? Mingle.
Hit him with that last evil.
狐の鍵爪を解き放て
I can only imagine a life healing Moira. Like just pure DPS Moira. That sounds disgusting. Yeah, I ranked up an entire almost second rank from it as well.
Firelight.
Same.
Yeah, we're on the same page because we both lost and won as many games with each other in DPS.
Dude, I'm going through this battle pass.
Only at 20 right now. What are you at?
I'm at 13, but you were playing for like 6.
Enemy here. Windborn.
I still like how
I believe in you.
I still like how I fucking just boxed him out of the point.
Stay near.
Red.
Wall stronger?
I don't think so. But the only things I can do is damage.
Oh, that's what happened.
What happened?
What happened?
Back again to another
Down
try.
he saw fucking he got
I
the
saw
fucking
Jesus.
Hiroshima fucking he got the fucking coughing baby the nitrogen bomb. Oh yeah.
A little care always helps.
Here comes the sun.
By the sound
Here comes the sun.
That was the whitest I've ever seen down your eyes fucking go. Just like, oh shit!
life protects life. Lovely. My tree's gone. Find cover. So you realize you're better off with me.
If you dare.
Oh, W fucking herself. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. We have a team. Look at the stats here, boy. Look at the stats.